These are hostas, and I'm going to move them. It would have been easier if I would have moved them sooner, but I've just been so busy on so many different things. But today I'm going to start right now. I'm going to move them. The hostas I'm going to move back here, all along this road right here. It's shady a good part of the day because the sun comes up over that way, and then it sets behind, but where it sets is shaded out. So yeah, there's not a whole lot of sun over here. Hostas should do fine though. It's the first clump of hostas I'm going to start off with, and the way you do it is you dig all around it, gently prying up, and just keep going around it, prying up until it's out of the ground. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, here's the first one down. Looks like it's going to be too heavy to lift. I need to dig a little bit over on this side. Okay, I got the clump up. Now I think before I even try to lift it, I'm going to divide it. I'm going to divide it in half now. And when you do this, you got to remember that hostas like this, what you might call cast iron plants, it's pretty hard to hurt them. And there's different ways of dividing this clump. A lot of people might use two pitchforks down the center and pry it apart. And what I've actually done in the past is just chop it in half with my shovel. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. So there we got 2 clumps of them, and all of these ones here are just fine. The only ones that really get hurt are the ones on the outside. These roots will just take off growing just fine. This is the other clump. See, all those are fine. So I'm going to put those in the wheelbarrow, and then we'll carry them back over there and plant them. Okay, I'm going to do these just 1 clump at a time so that they're not sitting around in the sun drying. Okay, here we are in this area next to the fence that doesn't get a whole lot of sun. Be enough for hostas though. I've actually had hostas in the full sun, but and they grew okay, except for the sun really burns the leaves and makes them look kind of burnt. In the shade like this, I think the leaves actually grow bigger than what they would normally. So I'm going to start out here with my favorite digging tool, and you push it in, pry it up, and push it in and pry it up, and just keep doing that until you get the right size of hole. So, foot on, push it in, pry it up, push it in, pry it up. Just keep doing that. On the first shovelful, that hole's almost big enough. Just go around near the edges and repeat that. So here's one I planted here last year. And you can see how it's growing just fine. So I'm just going to continue this row right here. Okay. Quite deep enough, because you want it at the same level that it was growing at before. Might be deep enough, but just not wide enough. Hit the tree right there, I think. So, could be a tree root. Okay. Okay, so we got 2 of them done. Here's the one from last year. Here's the 2 that we just planted today. So we can go over and dig up more. This is the clump we're going to work on now. And the way we do that, again, is dig all around it, prying up as you go. And then eventually it comes up, and then you can chop it in half and then plant the 2 halves over in their new location. So let's get started. Here's the last of them. All planted nice and neatly along the fence here. Okay, if you thought that was a good video, can you please subscribe and like this video? I would really appreciate it. It helps me out. And thank you very much for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks. Bye.